Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, I should be doing more with my money, but where do I even start? Maybe you've heard about investing and it just sounds complicated, intimidating, and like something only for the super rich. Well, what if I told you there's an app that makes investing so simple, you can literally do it with your spare change? That's why I absolutely love Acorns. It's an app designed for people who are new to investing or just want a super easy, low-friction way to get started. The concept is brilliant in its simplicity. It rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns rounds it up to $4 and invests that extra 50 cents for you. It's like a digital piggy bank that automatically puts your money to work. But Acorns is more than just roundups. It also lets you set up recurring investments, like $5 or $10 a week, so you're consistently putting money into the market. This is a game changer because it takes the emotion out of investing. You're not trying to time the market, you're just building a habit of investing consistently over time. Another thing I really appreciate is the diversified portfolios. You don't have to be a financial expert to choose what to invest in. Acorns offers a few different portfolio options, from conservative to aggressive, based on your risk tolerance. They're built by experts and include a mix of stocks and bonds, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And let's talk about the user experience. The app is clean, intuitive, and gives you a clear picture of your investment growth. You can see how much you've invested, what your returns are, and how your money is performing. It's a great way to watch your money grow without the stress of constant market monitoring. Of course, like any investment, there are risks, and your investments can go up or down in value. But what Acorns does so well is make that first step into investing feel less like a giant leap and more like a small, manageable hop. It demystifies the process and makes building wealth accessible to everyone, no matter how much you have to start with. It's the perfect tool for building a solid financial foundation without even thinking about it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.